Docusaurus, Mkdocs, and Docsify are three tools used to build modern documentation websites fast. So if you're a dev, team lead, or startup, this guide is for you. Docusaurus is React-based and super customizable. It has a slick UI, versioning support, and a plugin system. If you're building branded docs for a product, this is your guy. Mkdocs is lightweight and powered by Markdown. It's easy to deploy and it feels very get in, write, and publish. Great for simple internal wikis or tag-focused teams who loves clean and fast. Docsify is unique. It loads docs from Markdown files on the fly so you don't need to rebuild after every change. It's great for live previews and small projects. So, which is best? Use Docusaurus if you want polish and full control. Use Mkdocs for clean, structured simplicity. And pick Docsify if you need rapid updates with zero build steps. And that's the quick guide to documentation tools. Like and subscribe to How to Literally for more dev-friendly breakdowns.